Hello everyone, welcome to part 103 of Laravel 9 series in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the shopping cart, and once again we are going to see the quantity of shopping cart products. Okay, so there are few conditions that we are going to add while updating the card items. Okay, so we have seen that we able to update the card items. Okay, that we have done in the last video. See, we able to update the card items, and here the totals are updating, subtotal as well as the grand total is updating. Okay, here as well you can see there is the update of the subtotal as well. Okay, so this we are doing via Ajax. Now there are few conditions that we need to add. One condition is the available that desired quantity, required quantity that the user want is actually available or not. Okay, like this is. And one more thing I want to do, see, here the you can see single product.html. Here the link is not correct. You can see we are going to add the product link here. And first of all, I'm going to add the product link here because I want to check that which product it is that we have added in our shopping cart. Okay, so after that we are going to check how much stock is available for that product. And once these, like, only if one stock is available, then if the user will click on plus sign, if the user wants more stock of this product, then we are going to show the error message that the product stock is not available. Okay, and also one more condition we are going to add. See, this is the condition that we are going to add. Desired product stock is available or not, this thing we are going to check. Okay, and the second thing we are going to check that product stock product size is not disabled. In some cases the admin disabled the size of this particular product, small product. If in case the small size is disabled by the admin, then he can't do anything. Then if he will try to update the quantity, we are going to show the message to him that the size is not available now. You can choose some other product. Okay, because this product we are going to remove once the user click on proceed to checkout. We are going to remove this product because the size is not available. Okay, so these two checks we are going to add in this video. So first of all, I'm going to correct this product link. After that we will continue with these conditions. Okay, so I'm going to open the card items where we are showing the loop of the products of our card items. Here you can see, and this URL, we are going to remove this URL and we'll replace it with our product URL. Okay, product detail URL. We know that we have this product and then the ID of the product, and we can pick like this one. This one is the ID, product ID. Okay, we will just copy and paste here. Now I'm going to check here. See, we can open in new tab also if you want, in new tab. Okay, then give href blank. Okay, so but we will keep it here only. Okay, so now see, we able to know that this is the product ID is 2. Okay, so now it is fine. So we can check the product ID is 2 and the size is small. Product ID is 2 and it's small size. It is only having the stock 1. You can see. Then how we are updating? We are getting the 2. So it must show the message. Once we click on plus sign, it must show the error message here that the required quantity is out of stock. Okay, some error message we need to show to the user because the stock is not there. How we can able to purchase this product? Okay, so let's start working on this thing. And for this we are going to update our card update function. Okay, let's open the card update function, products controller, at front, and card update. Here we are going to add one check here. See, before adding, see, this is the code where we are actually updating the card, but before updating the card we are required to add few checks. Okay, so first of all we will get the card details, get card details. Okay, so this one we are going to get it like this, card details card. We can use the find object of the card model, and to get the card that we are getting in the dollar data and card id. Okay, we are having the card id. From this card id we can get the card details, and from this card details we will get the product id that we required actually to fetch the available product stock. Actually we want to fetch the available product stock, that how much product stock is available right now, so that we can add the check, we can add the condition get available product stock. Okay, so we will write here like available stock, how much available stock is here. We will check from the products attribute, as we are maintaining all the attribute stock in the products attribute table, so we require only stock, so we will just select the stock where we are required two conditions here. One is the product id. Okay, product id must be matching details, product id. Okay, and the next one is the size. In size dollar card details, and we are getting the size as well. Okay, and from these two conditions we able to get the available stock first to array. Okay, so we can first of all fetch that what stock we are actually getting. Okay, what I'm doing, I am required to debug like this, print available stock. Okay, now it is fine. We are going to fetch. Now we will try update. Now see, now it is fine. Okay, stock is coming as 1. Okay, so we are required to add the condition here. If we will write here dollar data quantity, whatever quantity is coming from the customer, okay, is greater than this available stock, is greater than the actual stock available. Okay, this is the stock that is available, stock, then this one. Okay, then here see, we will show the error message to the user. I am just copy this one because this is required here. Just we are going to show the error message here. Get card items, that we will get status this time is the false, not the true. Okay, and one message also we are going to show here. If the status is false, we are going to show the error message here, and error message is product stock is not available, product stock is not available. Okay, like this. And view, string view, rest everything seems to be fine. Okay, so now see, I am going to remove this one, and in custom.js I am going to update here. I am going to update the error message here. We are going to update here. Okay, see, whatever error message will come, we are going to show that. We are going to check if any error message is coming, and if status is false. Okay, here we are sending the status. If status is false, then we are going to show this message. Okay, so if status is false, then we also required to send the error message so that we can show. Okay, so now first of all we are going to check the status. If status is false, status equal to false. Okay, then we are going to show the alert message, response, whatever the message that we are declaring there. Okay, so now see, now we are going to check here. Now it must show the error. First I am going to reduce it to 1. Okay, that is fine. Now if I will going to increase to 2, there is only one stock available. If I want to make it 2, then the error message must come. Let's see. No error message is not come, product stock is not available. Here it is coming, but actually it is not showing any error message. See what's the issue exactly, we are going to check. So I think the issue is this one. We need to do it like this. Now we are going to try. Let's see. Okay, so now we are going to click on plus, and now you can see the product stock is not available, error message is coming. Okay, so it is making it back to 1. Okay, so this time the stock is not updated because the stock is actually not available at all. Okay, so if in case we update the stock to 10, okay, so now it will update the stock. Now we can check that it must update the stock. You can see it update the stock instantly at real time via Ajax. Okay, so this is the check that we are required to add, because otherwise it will create the out of stock issues for our e-commerce website. So we need to add this check to check whether the stock is available or not. Okay, so now every time when the user will update the quantity, it will check the stock that desired quantity is actually available or not. Okay, so now the another check that we are going to add, that we are going to check, like if the in case the admin updates the status of the attribute to 0, like this. So in this case we will not allow the user to update the stock. We will intimate the message to the user that the status of this attribute is actually now see, this attribute is not available at this time. This product is not available at this time, please choose some other product. Though we are going to show the error message on the click of this button, but we will also make sure that we will give the intimation to the user once he will try to update the quantity of the product. Okay, so so this check we also going to add here, and here this is the first check that we have done. Okay, see here we will write the comment as well. Check if desired stock from user is available. Okay, fine. And the next check is like we need to check site is available or not. Okay, check if site is available. Okay, so for this one we are going to take one variable like available. Now this time we will take available site products attribute once again, and we are going to compare it with the product ID in the same way like we have done earlier. Okay, see this one, product ID as well as site. Okay, this one we will completely copy this one. Okay, with both. And also one more thing we are required to add here, this site that status must be 1. Okay, so one more thing we are going to add in this case, status must be 1. Okay, so after that count, so if in case the count is 0, then we are going to execute our condition, this one once again. Okay, if available equal to 0, then this complete we will call once again with the different error message this time. Okay, so now we are going to show the error message like product size is not available, only site. Okay, product size is not available this time. Okay, rest everything will remain the same. Now we can check once again. Okay, now here, see here, finally we will add here like update the quantity. Okay, so see now for this one, now it is 0. Okay, I'm going to refresh it once, though the refresh is not required, it will show the error message straight away. Okay, so what error message exactly we are going to identify? Unexpected token. Okay, so the error message maybe something else, syntax error. Okay, syntax error is here. Available site, we're going to check. Okay, see what silly mistake it is. So remove this one, and once again we will try remove everything, and now we are going to try the update the quantity once again, but it must show the error message, different error message this time, like product size is not available. Oh, okay, you can see the product size is not available message is coming, so it is fine. So we can improve the message like product size is not available, please choose another product, please remove and choose another product, please remove this product and choose another one. Okay, so because this, if the size is not available, then we will ask the customer that he can remove this one, because we will not allow him to buy this one because the size is not available now. Earlier on it was available, but now it is not available. Okay, so once the user added, maybe some other customer buy this size and now it is not available, so he can remove this product. So here you can see product size is not available, please remove this product and choose another one. So the message is coming to the user that that person can remove this product and can choose the another one. Okay, so though this size small red will not available, if he will going to check in the product detail page, this is gone away. You can see if I will refresh, the small size must not come. If it is not available, you can see the small size is not coming at all. But if it is available at that time and the user adds that small size, after that he is trying to purchase that size, or he is trying to update that size, update stock of that size, so we must intimate the user that the size is not available now. See, earlier on it was available, but now it is not available, so you can remove that size, remove that product and choose the another one. Okay, simple message. So these conditions you can add at your end, and after that we are going to work on the delete functionality, delete item functionality. So I don't think this refresh button is required, because here we are just managing it with plus minus, so we can I think remove at this time we are not required to add this refresh button. Okay, but delete, we are going to work on this delete functionality in the next video, and this one we can remove from the timing. If we require to update, then we will show. If we require some kind of other feature for our cart, then we are going to add it again. Okay, so in next video we will work on the delete functionality, that also we are going to do via Ajax. Okay, so only this part will update if there are 3-4 items and the user want to remove the one item, then that one item will be removed, and we will recalculate the shopping cart totals. Okay, that we are going to show with the Ajax itself at real time. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.